Hi everyone! Petal is Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming out with another DIY to share with you guys. But first of all, I would like to say thank you for everyone who wished me well wishes and lovely prayers for a quick recovery. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you might have not seen the post that I put up that I was in the hospital for a week. And because your girl was a little under the weather. Okay, a lot under the weather. But I got my meds and my breathing is back to my normal sickness breathing because I am sick with my lungs. Once again, thank you for everyone who took the time to send me some love. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you too, just as much as you appreciate me. Yes, maybe even more. Yeah, so if you're not subscribed and it's your first time here, welcome. And I hope you hit the subscribe button and press the bell so you get notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you all. So without further ado, let's get into items that we'll be using for today's DIY.
Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Alright everyone, here are the items we'll be using for today's DIY, and as usual they will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what they are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright, we have this board here, and you know what it is everyone? It's just the back of a picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it has the hooks here, which is nice. I used just the frame, I think when I was making square boxes or something, and I didn't throw this out, which I'm glad I didn't. So I'm going to use some of this silver acrylic paint and paint over it and use it for the backdrop of our DIY. Now I'm going to give it about 1 or 2 coats. I'm not sure how much it will cover it. Maybe 2 coats will be good.
Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. You know, wave it.
And now with our last coat, I'm just going to add some glitter so that in between where our pieces do not meet, you show a little nice glitter coming through the board. So the glitter will also dry with the paint. So that's good. And now for our sconces, I'm using this board here that I got from the Dollar Tree, this canvas board, and I'll be painting it with silver glitter again. Sorry, and I will be painting it with silver paint again. And I'll also add some silver glitter to it also. Now we have these cute little bowls here from the Dollar Tree. They're 8 little silver bowls, and they're cute because they're shaped like the star, and they give the faux mirror effect, or fox mirror effect, however you pronounce that. Fox, who knows? Ho ho ho. Anyways, and I'll be using these gems here also with some hot glue. I'll just be gluing them into the center of each one of our bowls. And now that our canvas is dry, I am going to use the round mirrors from the Dollar Tree and place it in the center, and I will be using some hot glue and this glue down our mirror. And you can use any adhesive that you would like to use to glue down your project, like I always tell you. So now we are going to add our bowls to our design. Just gonna spread them everywhere in a little pattern, and then we're gonna glue them down with some hot glue And you can use any adhesive that you want, E6000 or something like that, but I do recommend you do use something stronger than the hot glue, but for this purpose I'm just using the hot glue. Now for our round canvas that we'll be using to make our sconces, we're using the round mirrors from the Dollar Tree and some E6000. Definitely have to use a strong glue on this one because they will be holding down our little candle holder when we're finished with our sconce. Yes, it is. So I'll be using the E6000 and some hot glue. And now for this piece, we'll be adding our bowls going right around. And I will be gluing them down with some hot glue. Remember, use a stronger adhesive. I'm just using the hot glue for this video purpose only. And now we have this little tea light holder with the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled going all the way around. And I'm going to use the E6000 and some hot glue. And we're going to glue it onto our mirror. Here's our finished look, everyone. Our lovely wall decor with our two wall sconces right next to them. I think they look lovely. Yes, it does. It's very nice. I love how these little bowls look. It looks very nice and elegant. They're small and just make the design look unique. I think it looks lovely. I think they look very nice. Like I always say, take lovely items from the Dollar Tree, put them together and make something lovely for your home. And I loved how these turned out, shiny and nice, and you can place them anywhere throughout your home. And you could put the two sconces lined up side by side. I did one up and one down. That's how I like it. But you can place it anyhow you like it within your space that you decide to use it for your decor item. And here's how it looks with two candles inside. Now remember, this is plastic, so do not put lighted candles. I just placed the candles here for decor purpose only. I will not be lighting them. You could use like a little tea light, the tea light holder candles, the little ones that you turn on that are battery operated. You can place two of those in there, or just like I said, I'm using mine for decor purpose. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. And don't forget to press that like button. Give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one.